ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka Shillong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakhambnia one shaka Frank Motors light ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Most successful festival in terms of footfalls and also in terms of the various genres of music involved. We've had something from the traditional Khasi music to Bollywood to grunge to reggae to nu majao, and it's been a very eclectic combination of music. And in terms of the number of visitors, we've had at least 65% of visitors coming from outside of the state of Meghalaya. So it's a huge achievement in the sense that we never expected this. In the past two editions of Cherry Blossoms, the footfall was more or less 48 to 52, but this time around we've gone beyond 70 in terms of participants from outside Meghalaya.
Did rain play the spoil spot for the event?
Just for the initial day, but we recovered very fast, and now there's a huge festive season here, coupled with the fact that cherry blossoms are actually blooming across Shillong. This has been the best ever edition of cherry blossoms, to the extent that the ambassador of Japan came and visited the fest. Would like us to have an exchange program with Japan, so that whenever they have a celebration of Japanese cherry blossoms in the month of May, we would then reciprocate by having our fest in the month of November.
Oh, Hi guys, we're the band Sanam and we are in Shillong right now for the Cherry Blossom Festival.
Yesterday, I was so happy to catch some of the local acts, and of course, Hybrid Theory and Neo. And I was really happy actually to watch Snow White. It's so nice to watch our homegrown talent over the years, and they seem to be an iconic band from Shillong.
It's our first time and we've been hearing so much about the Northeast, how much they, listen to us here and our original songs as well. So we're really excited to perform what we've prepared for everybody here.
Oh yeah, this is our first time here, so we're really excited. We just recently found out that a lot of people here listen to our music, and we're also really shocked to hear that they like our originals more than our renditions. So, so we're quite excited to showcase that side of us tonight. And I think we all love the weather here, so it's amazing. And the people are so warm, so it works.
We thank you, Roxky, for getting us down, Jason, everybody involved, the Chief Minister, Tourism of Meghalaya, and we're really looking forward to playing in Shillong. Shillong, let's go. Thank you, My Meg, for doing this event and getting the band Sanam down. We're so excited.
walking on the street and many people coming to us and to ask for pictures and everything. So it's been amazing.
It's cool. It's a little bit strange for us, but it's really cool to know that you're so far from home, but still like everyone kind of knows you and they come to say hi and to say they're here to watch you. So that's really cool.
Anything else that you guys want to?
We just hope everything goes well, that we're able to do our best, and then people like it.
Enjoys it.
Yeah, exactly.
That's beautiful. Come on.
Where the signs I ignore. Can I help you not to hurt anymore? You saw brilliance when the world was asleep. There are things that we can't have, but can keep. If they say, who cares if one more light goes out in the sky of a million stars? It flickers, who cares when someone way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property. Remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all goes back to the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I got too far to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Let me hear you guys sing. I put my trust in you. Just as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. Scream! Put my trust in you. But as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I got too far to lose it all. In the end, it doesn't even matter. Thank you so much. That's the most for you guys. Thank you.
The journey has been long, but it's been fantastic. Everybody's been really nice. It's a beautiful place. I'm having a great time. Looking forward to getting on that stage and doing what I do.
What are your expectations, especially when it comes to the crowd?
Above anything, I'm expecting them to sing along. We just gonna get up there. We're gonna go through pretty much all of my hits, and we're gonna have a good time.
So you are one of the multiple Grammy winner, and your song have inspired majority of the Meghalians here. As you know, Shillong has been known as the rock capital of India. So, what do you have to say as coming back to Meghalaya, what is the experience? What is the genre that you are going to hear from all of us?
I didn't quite understand the question. Well, I'll say this. Again, I've had a great time thus far. This is my first time here. If every time I come here I'm gonna get this amount of love, it's definitely not my last.
So, is Meghalaya inspiring you to come up with another album?
You know what? So far, yeah. I've been inspired to. I'm in the process of putting together a new album right now. So being here and just being with the people is definitely an inspiring song. Yeah. I don't know. Next album I might have a song inspired by this place on the album.
Thank you so much.
Wow. I go by the name of Neo, honor and a pleasure to meet you all. I'd like to welcome everybody to the show. This show is a celebration of life, a celebration of love, a celebration of music. So we're gonna run the whole gamut of emotions while we're here. We're gonna laugh a little bit, we might cry a little bit, we definitely gonna sing a little bit, we absolutely gonna dance a little bit, but above all, we're gonna live it up. Are y'all ready to live it up? Let's go! Let's toast it up! Hey! Welcome to the champagne life, where trouble is above in the champagne glass. Dreams of reality are one of the same. my designer suit to make this look easy. I'm sexy, baby. Don't you dare act like you don't see me. Baby, I know you see me. So what it's all about.
Daminot Iwan Ra Syabhiya Gisur Ibangilatan Banbanwandor na Gisur Tenray Jod Iksing Kinagra Bakatang Muriban Kumta Terter
Hado ka bam tu
cho habayeng rama lor ka ho ka sat hatta ka shok ka sun sim habayeng rama upon reo ab jutang ublay Hakari basyong pneng perthai Kari kentang baik kiblay Hakari bayeng usap pneng Kari kentang ukraw jutang Hakari basyong pneng ki ay baro kari te prio te Nado kasir nengko Nado kabang tubo Nado kahok nengko Nado bamabanjo Kabayeng rapalay kahok kasat Hatta kasyang kasut Magsing kabayeng rapalubon Mengreo Jutang ublay Hakari basyong pneng perthai Kari kentang bait kiblay Hakari bayeng usap pneng Kari kentang ukraw jutang Hakari basyong pneng ki ay baro kari te prio te
Put your hands up and clap with me now, hey! Marching on, faith in hand, stormy seas, oh, rugged lands, no hellfire, not heaven's gates, can hold back this water, the levee's about to break. Hold on, we're coming your way. Moving here. We're coming on a sacred day. Repeat after me. We're rambling on. Sing. We're rambling Hey Shillong, how you doing? Aren't you looking well? It's great to see you. It's great to be here tonight. Thank you. I've got so many songs, so many stories to tell you. We've got a long night ahead of us. Settle in. Let's keep going with the tunes. Come on. What you're thinking of. If tomorrow never comes.
Hey, what's up? This is Jonas Blue, and I'm here in Shillong, India. I'm so happy to be here. We're gonna have an amazing performance tonight. Can't wait to see you all.
Is this your first time in India?
No, this is not my first time. I've been here quite a few times. I usually play Sunburn Festival, so I'm always somewhere around in India, but I love India. It's great.
This will be your first time in Meghalaya. How do you feel?
First time here. I'm very happy to be here. I love exploring India and seeing the Indian fans, so very happy to be here. I've just got here, so it looks great. I saw some of Ronnie Keaton's show, it looks great. And the crowd looks so happy to be here, so we're going to have some fun.
Are you excited to perform?
I'm very excited to perform, yeah.
Anything you're looking forward to?
I have some new music that I want to play here tonight, and of course all the classic songs, so I'm just happy to see everyone sing and be happy. So my message to just everyone around the world is, you know, just to find happiness in music. You know, I make music to make people happy, and you know, we live in some crazy times at the moment right now, so if you can smile and listen to music and be happy, that's all I care about. So yeah, just be happy. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to the festival for allowing me to come here. We're gonna have a great time tonight. I'm happy to be back here in India and Shillong for the first time. So yeah.
Stand in my way when they're
I gotta